In this video, we will present to you the feature Work Order Analysis. Work Order Analysis enables monitoring the status of the product, and its components, on the work order, already during the work process. Let's see an example. As the responsible person, you want to check the current manufacturing status for a specific product. Select a work order, and, in the work order analysis, check the percentage of the actual state of material consumption, operations, scrap or waste, and the entire percentage of product manufacturing. In the same way, you can check the status of other products during the work process and quickly assess the results. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.